In this video, we'll walk through how to create a HubSpot connection in the Audienz application. Start by navigating to Administrations and click on Connections. Next, find the drop-down at the top right corner and select the Destination option. Locate the HubSpot card and click on it to add new connection. Enter a connection name and an optional description. Before clicking Save Changes, make sure your HubSpot account is open in the same browser, but in a different tab. It makes the connection creation easier. If HubSpot account is not logged in, user will be redirected to HubSpot login page. Now click on Save Changes. You'll be redirected to your HubSpot account to authorize the connection. Select the appropriate account when prompted. Once redirected back to Audienz app, click the Activate button to finalize and enable the connection. Your HubSpot connection is now active and ready to use.